Hey guys, Nevada Titworth here with the Worthwhile Group with Keller Williams in Austin, Texas. We're here in Teravista in Georgetown at this beautiful new listing, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. And we're already forming the line out here. As you can see, homes are selling very quickly and above market value. So we'd love to share with you how we can make this happen for you. We're gonna have a successful open house and we'd love for you to come out here and join us.
Hi, my name is Colleen Houlihan-Schumacher, and I am with Nevada and the Worthwhile Group at an open house in Georgetown, Texas. You need to get out here quick. There's lots of people. House is going to go quick. It's open. It's a beautiful layout. Come on out and see it today.
I want to share with you some of the results that we had from the open house. We had over 57 people that actually stopped by our open house, 21 offers and 3 offers well over asking price. It's a wonderful market that we're in, and we'd love to share with you how we can assist you in not just selling your home, but focusing on what it's going to take to get it sold within 4 days and over the asking price. Give us a call. Again, Nevada Titworth with the Worthwhile Group of Keller Williams, 512-734-0434.